Hey veratics, thank you for tuning into my channel once again. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So today I'm going to show you how I make a simple corn salad. Very simple recipe, so stay tuned. So I've gone ahead and drained out my sweet corn that I get from in a can, followed by my cherry tomatoes, which I have chopped up. I've also gone ahead and chopped up my fresh cucumbers and I've skinned them as well and diced it into little dices. I've gone right ahead and I've chopped up some fresh basil leaves as well. These really complement tomatoes, they taste really nice together. And also last but not least, I've also gone and diced or scattered or crumbled some feta cheese, or some of you may know it as Greek cheese. You can also use goat's cheese if you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and use my olive oil to grace my saucepan. It's basically olive oil is mixed with vegetable oil and olive oil, so that's 1 tablespoon into the frying pan. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my drained sweet corn, and I'm gonna let that cook over a medium heat until it starts to sizzle. So I'm just mixing it all together here to ensure that it actually gets even covering. As you can see, it's mixing quite well. Of course, the sweet corn are, they were wet before putting them into the pan. So I'm gonna leave that over a medium heat to simmer and cook thoroughly. I just wanted to have that little glaze feel to it. So there you go, it's sizzling now. I've left that there for about 5 minutes. So now once that is ready, I am going to go ahead and pour it out into a container. Mind you, this is just a small portion. It's just for myself and Drizzle. So once I'm through with that, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my chopped cherry tomatoes along with my cucumbers. And finally, I would add my fresh chopped basil leaves. The scent that comes out from the basil leaf is so nice. It has a nice aroma to it. I'm going to give that a good stir so everything is evenly coated and covered, and it has a good mixture to it. So once I'm happy with the mixture, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a separate container the olive oil again, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of olive oil, followed by my fresh lemon. I'm gonna use the juice from the lemon. I'm gonna pour that into the olive oil mixture and mix that thoroughly until it turns into a white frothy mixture. It's going to be quite thick, like almost like foam. I'm going to give that a good mix using the same teaspoon. So once I'm happy with that, there you go. Once I'm happy with that, I am going to pour that over the corn salad mixture. It gives me roughly about 2 teaspoons of olive oil and lemon mixture. It gives it that tangy taste which complements the cheese as well as the tomato and the sweet taste from the sweet corn. Now this is the dressing that I'm going to use to dress this. It's the pomegranate and balsamic dressing. It's from Pizza Hut, but you can get it from a grocery store. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the pomegranate and balsamic dressing. I don't really like creamy dressing like salad cream or mayonnaise. I think it's a bit fattening as well. So I go for the healthy alternatives. Once that's done, I'm going to add my cheese as the last mixture, and I'm going to leave it like that to settle. Pop it in the fridge and enjoy with anything you want to enjoy it with. So this is a simple recipe. My little one had it with her pasta bake, a cheese pasta bake, which she loves so much. This is another way to get the children to eat vegetables. You know, it's got the vegetable in there, it's got the fruit in there, and it's got, of course, the herbs. So this is what she had, and I went ahead and I had mine with fish. I can't remember the name of the fish that I had, but the fish I had, it was more like a fillet. It didn't have any skin on it, and I enjoyed this thoroughly. So I had this corn salad with my fish. It's very simple to make. In under 10 minutes it's done, and it makes a very complimentary side dish for any type of meal that you choose to accompany this salad with. So I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you for tuning into my channel once again, and to all my returning subscribers, a massive thank you to you all. You guys are the real MVPs. Until next time, stay tuned, stay blessed, and remain ever at it.
I'll stand by you wherever you go. I give you my heart, my body, and soul. I'll stand by you wherever you go. Oh, we move this love and not die. It they cut to my heart, baby boo, I no go lie.